So first thing first, let's load our dataset. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. Let's click on load. So as you can see on the right side, the data is loaded. So let's change the first canvas background. Let's keep it a little dark this time. Okay. So let's build our first card, which is going to be average closing price, aggregating average. Okay. Making it Arial back, keeping it in. Okay. Average closing price. Arial black, keeping it center. Okay. Now let's change the effects a bit. Visual border on, shadow on. Okay. Let's have it red. Okay. Okay. So here we can have volume sum, total trading volume. And here we can have highest closing price. Changing it maximum. Okay. Done. Now, okay. Hmm. All done, I guess. So now let's add a visualization which is going to be line chart. Let's remove it. Okay. Let's have date in the x-axis by year only, and in the y-axis I can have close and average of it. So depicting average stock price trend over the time. Okay. Now changing the line color to red. Going to y-axis, going to x-axis. Okay. Now let's have, okay. And here we can have a clustered column chart. We can have sum of volume in columns to red. Done. Let's adjust the size so I can adjust more visualizations. So here I can have, let's have area chart. Depicting date is already there, depicting high and low and average of it. Okay, going to lines, going to color, first changing this to red and then changing this to red again. Or let's have a darker version of red. Yeah. And so that's it. Let's change the title. I forgot to do that. Trading volume price. Let's have it high versus low. Okay. Now let's have our final visualization, which is going to be column, line, and clustered column chart. So date we already have. Let's have volume over here, and in the y-axis, let's have close and average of it. Okay, now let's add a few images to give a more aesthetic appeal. So I've added a few PNGs over here already. You can adjust as per your own liking. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's add, actually I forgot to add a slicer. So let's add a slicer. Uh, by date. Date hierarchy. Have it drop down. Okay. So that's it, I guess. We're done with our Netflix dashboard. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time.